Hi, for Uber?
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Good. For Scotty, right?
Yeah, how's it going?
Ooh, great.
Good, good. Just make sure to put on your seatbelt, because for safety.
Oh yeah, of course. No worries.
Yeah, so,
Dude, you look younger for an Uber driver.
Yeah.
You're on TikTok?
Well, I'm actually like a TikToker, so I post my videos on TikTok. Is that cool if I...
Are you sure? Yeah, whatever. This would be boring, but
Oh.
I also just had I was gonna mention, like, there's this trend on TikTok for Uber drivers. Have you heard of it?
No.
It's like trending, dude. Okay,
what is
so
it?
all these people are leaving like 1 star on the Uber, because you guys don't care about stars and shit, right?
Wait, what do you mean?
No, because then we get a free ride. If we leave a 1 star and we make it some shit like, oh, he was just rude to me, or
No,
he went the wrong way. Just something like doesn't get you fired. But
You're gonna rate me 1 star to get your money back? You see that?
It's like common. Like, I thought drivers like...
This is going on TikTok? I've already gotten 5
Yeah.
1 stars today. You know it affects me, right?
Yeah, but like I'm adding a star to like your rating.
What? No, I'm at 4.6. If I get 1 more 1 star, it's gonna go below.
4.6 is really good, dude. That you'd be getting like an A in class.
No, I need to have 5 stars.
Dude, 90%. That's freaking amazing.
I need 5 stars.
Dude, 5 stars is like perfect, like service, like perfect ride.
Okay, well, you can't rate
Dude,
me
I
1.
usually give like a 2 or 3 anyway. Like, it's really that important to you guys?
Dude, yes, we can get fired if it goes below 4.6. Do you realize if you rate me 1 star, I can get fired? You realize
what
that,
if
right?
I just...
This is my only income. I could be homeless because
I'll
of
give you like $5 cash, and then I could get a free ride.
Oh my god, dude, what is your
get
IQ? What is your IQ? Did you even graduate high school?
I went to Arizona State, bro.
Dude, you're probably liberal. You know what? I'm not giving you a ride. I'm not giving you a ride. You need to get out of my car.
Wait, what? Dude.
I'm not. You said you're gonna rate me 1 star.
Yeah, but it's been going around. It's like this trend, and it's a win-win because we get a free ride. I'll give you some cash, dude.
Get out of my car now.
Yeah, I got some cash.
I don't need cash. I don't need cash.
All right, I'll just try with the next Uber. Like, screw this.
All right, you can get out.
Yeah.
You can get out and walk.
Done.
You get out and walk.
All right, cool, man. But you're missing out on some cash. Like, Uber doesn't pay you guys well. I'll give you like I'll give you $10 cash.
You sound like a first grader.
All right. Good luck.